Hey there, wonderful viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Or if you're new here, we're delighted to have you join us. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of essential oils. Have you ever wondered what makes these oils so special? Well, get ready to find out because we're about to uncover the incredible benefits they offer. Essential oils are derived from plants and have been used for centuries. They contain powerful compounds that have a positive impact on our minds and bodies. These oils have a lot to offer, from promoting relaxation and supporting our immune system to improving mood and focus. That's why it's important to ensure that we incorporate them into our lives. In today's video, we're going to explore 13 amazing benefits of essential oils you cannot miss. Trust us, you won't want to miss out on these. So whether you're already an essential oil enthusiast or just curious about their potential, buckle up and get ready to learn how these oils can enhance your well-being. Now let's dive right in and discover the wonders of essential oils together. Number 1. Stress and pain relief. One of the remarkable benefits of essential oils is their ability to provide stress and pain relief. Essential oils like lavender and peppermint have soothing properties that can help you relax and alleviate discomfort. Research shows that around 43% of individuals dealing with stress and anxiety turn to alternative therapies, such as the use of essential oils, to help alleviate their symptoms. For example, lavender oil creates a calming atmosphere, while peppermint oil provides relief for headaches and muscle aches. These oils act as natural remedies to help you find relaxation and ease tension when life gets overwhelming. Keep them on hand to embrace the calming power of essential oils when you need it most. Number 2. Improve sleep. When it comes to getting a good night's sleep, essential oils can be a game changer. The gentle scent of oils like lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood can create a peaceful environment conducive to restful sleep. A research review of 15 studies on essential oils and sleep found that inhalation of these oils, particularly lavender oil, had positive effects on sleep habits. Another study published in the National Library of Medicine revealed that smelling lavender oil has been shown to improve sleep quality in women after childbirth and patients with heart disease. So, by incorporating these oils into your bedtime routine, you can enhance your sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed. Say goodbye to tossing and turning and hello to blissful nights of rejuvenating sleep. Number 3. Boost immune system. Essential oils can lend a helping hand to support your immune system's natural defenses. Oils like tea tree, eucalyptus, and lemon have antimicrobial properties that can aid in fighting off unwanted invaders. Research published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry shows that lemon oil has antibacterial effects against several strains of bacteria, making it beneficial for promoting immune health. In another study published in the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy, tea tree oil was found to have significant antimicrobial effects against various pathogens. These oils work in harmony with your immune system to promote your overall health and strength. Feel free to utilize them as sprays, cleaning agents, beauty enhancers, or incorporate them into your daily routine. Your body will appreciate the benefits they provide. Number 4. Foster digestion. Did you know that essential oils can work wonders when it comes to improving digestion? If you often experience digestive issues, essential oils might just be what you need. Research has shown that peppermint oil significantly reduces symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, and flatulence. Peppermint oil is known for its ability to calm the stomach and promote healthy digestion. Ginger essential oil is also beneficial for easing nausea and supporting digestive wellness. Incorporating these oils into your routine can help you maintain a happy and comfortable digestive system. Number 5. Improve respiratory function. Essential oils can play a role in enhancing respiratory function and promoting clear breathing. A study published in the Journal of Asthma found that inhaling eucalyptus oil significantly improved lung function and reduced symptoms such as wheezing and shortness of breath. Eucalyptus oil, with its refreshing aroma, can help open up the airways and support respiratory health. Tea tree oil, known for its antimicrobial properties, can also contribute to maintaining clear and healthy airways. By utilizing these oils through diffusion or inhalation, you can experience the benefits of improved respiratory function. Number 6. Enhance skin health. Let's dive into the world of skincare and discover how essential oils can work wonders for your skin. Whether you're dealing with dryness, blemishes, or signs of aging, essential oils have got your back. Take tea tree oil, for example. Its powerful antibacterial properties can help combat acne and keep your skin clear. And if you're looking to rejuvenate and moisturize, lavender and rosehip oils are excellent choices. These oils contain antioxidants and nourishing compounds that promote healthy and radiant skin. So say goodbye to dullness and hello to a vibrant glowing complexion with the help of essential oils. Number 7. Promote a positive mood. Are you feeling a bit down? Essential oils can lend a hand in boosting your mood and promoting a positive mindset. According to research published in the National Library of Medicine, essential oils have been shown to be effective in promoting a positive mood in adults, both below and over 60 years of age. Citrus oils such as lemon and orange are known for their uplifting and energizing effects. Just a whiff of their invigorating scent can chase away the blues and bring a smile to your face. Additionally, oils like bergamot and ilang-ilang can help reduce stress and anxiety, creating a calm and serene atmosphere. So the next time you need a little pick-me-up, turn to the power of essential oils and let their aromatic goodness work its magic. Number 8. Maintain hormonal balance. Ladies, this one's for you. Essential oils can be a valuable ally in maintaining hormonal balance. Celery sage oil in particular is renowned for its hormone-regulating properties. It can help ease menstrual discomfort, balance hormones during menopause, and promote overall well-being. Whether you use it topically or aromatically, celery sage oil can provide much-needed support on your hormone journey. According to research, inhaling lavender oil has been associated with decreased cortisol levels, a stress hormone, and increased serotonin levels, a mood-regulating hormone in women. So embrace the balancing act with the help of essential oils and experience greater harmony within your body. Number 9. Boost athletic performance. Calling all fitness enthusiasts here. Essential oils can give you that extra boost to enhance your athletic performance. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition explored the effects of peppermint oil on exercise performance. The findings suggested that inhaling peppermint oil may enhance exercise performance, respiratory function, and perceived effort during physical activity. Peppermint oil, with its refreshing and cooling sensation, can invigorate your senses and provide an energy boost. Its stimulating properties can also help improve focus and concentration during workouts. Additionally, oils like eucalyptus and ginger can aid in relieving muscle soreness and supporting post-workout recovery. So whether you're hitting the gym or going for a run, don't forget to incorporate these oils into your fitness routine and take your performance to the next level. Number 10. Promote dental health. Your oral health matters, and essential oils can contribute to maintaining a healthy smile. Tea tree oil, with its powerful antimicrobial properties, can effectively help combat oral bacteria and promote a clean and fresh mouth. Clove oil is renowned for its analgesic properties and can effectively relieve toothaches while promoting dental wellness. By incorporating these oils into your oral hygiene routine, such as adding a drop to your toothpaste, you can actively support your dental health journey. So let your smile shine bright with the help of essential oils and enjoy the confidence that comes with a dazzling grin. Number 11. Improve cognitive function. In addition to other physical benefits, essential oils can have a positive impact on cognitive function. Rosemary oil, for instance, has been found to enhance memory and improve mental clarity. Its invigorating aroma can stimulate the senses and promote focus and concentration. Another oil known for its cognitive-boosting properties is peppermint oil, which has been shown to increase alertness and enhance cognitive performance. Whether you diffuse these oils, incorporate them into your study or work routine, or simply take a deep breath of their refreshing scent, they can support your mental sharpness and cognitive abilities. Number 12. Support weight management. If you're on a weight management journey, essential oils can be valuable allies in achieving your goals. Research has shown that certain essential oils, such as grapefruit and peppermint, may have potential effects on appetite, food intake, and weight management. Grapefruit oil, for example, has been found to have appetite-suppressing properties and can help curb cravings. Lemon oil, with its detoxifying properties, can help support healthy digestion and metabolism. By incorporating these oils into your wellness routine, such as using them in a diffuser or adding a few drops to your water, you can harness their potential to support your weight management efforts and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Number 13. Aid in hair and scalp health. Essential oils can also be beneficial for maintaining healthy hair and scalp. Rosemary oil, for instance, has been shown to promote hair growth and improve scalp health. Tea tree oil, with its antimicrobial properties, can help combat dandruff and support a clean and balanced scalp. By incorporating these oils into your hair care routine, such as adding a few drops to your shampoo or creating a scalp massage blend, you can nurture your hair and scalp, promoting their overall health and vitality. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. In a world filled with endless possibilities, essential oils stand as remarkable allies on our journey to wellness. From relieving stress and promoting relaxation to supporting our physical and emotional well-being, these natural wonders provide a rich array of benefits. Embrace the captivating scents, unleash their therapeutic powers, and let essential oils elevate your everyday life. Rediscover the joy of self-care, the beauty of balance, and the magic of well-being, one drop at a time. Your path to a healthier, happier you begins right here. Do also check out our incredible benefits of olive oil that you can't ignore video for more informative content about this wonderful essential oil. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with all the informative health content here at HealthxTips. Remember, as always, your health, your life, your priority. Thanks for watching.